Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna decorate 6 different designs for Valentine's Day. Super simple. Let's start with this one. The indentation on a cookie, as you see there, it was made with a smaller heart-shaped cookie cutter before the cookie was baked, and then once you bake it, the indentation stays and you can use it as your guide when you are piping the heart. I wanted to show you quick decorating ideas that you can utilize, or you can combine them to create whatever design you want. To apply nonpareils, I'm applying piping consistency, or you can also use a little thicker icing and then dip it in. And that's how you make this first cookie. For the second cookie, this is a very popular technique, especially for Valentine's Day. It's really quick too, it's wet on wet. And now you're gonna drop white royal icing dots, same consistency as your red icing, and take a needle tool or a toothpick and run it through the center of the dot, creating a heart shape. Here is another design. This is a linear design. These are also very pretty. Start by outlining your cookie with royal icing. Again, I'm using about 15-second royal icing. If you don't know how to achieve 15-second consistency or what that means, you can see my other tutorial on how to thin royal icing. Now for the linear part, I'm using piping consistency, which is about toothpaste, and as you see, I'm just going randomly and piping first the line, and then I'm adding small dot, larger dot, and that's it. This is a very similar design, except we are gonna go in a heart shape. We're gonna follow the curve on the cookie to create the hearts, but first you need to outline with white. You can also let it crust for about 5 minutes or so and then flood with red. This way the white icing is not gonna move when you add the red. And then you can use contrasting color icing to pipe these little hearts. Another design where you start with creating first border, and then while this border is wet, you're gonna pipe in another shape, another heart. And as you see, it's gonna sink in, so it's gonna create a seamless layer of icing, and then you can fill it with red. When coloring red royal icing, I recommend that you first color the icing, let it rest for several hours, and then you can thin it down with water to desired consistency. Alright, and here is the last design. This is a repetitive pattern design. I'm using again piping consistency icing, and I'm starting with piping just 2 drop shapes, and then I'm adding 3 and then 4, 5, and so on. Alright, now we just have to finish it. I'm adding dots in the center. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it gave you a couple of ideas for your next cookie project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.